Ever wondered which mechanical CAD software is truly the best? Whether you're designing cars, airplanes, or machines, choosing the right software is key. Today, we're counting down the top 5 CAD software used by engineers around the world. Let's dive in. 5. AutoCAD, the king of 2D drafting. While it's the go-to tool for 2D drafting and blueprints, it falls short when it comes to advanced 3D modeling and simulation. Great for layouts, but not the best for complex designs. 4. SolidWorks, the engineer's favorite. This is the industry standard for mechanical design. It's perfect for product design and motion simulation, but struggles with large assemblies and advanced surface modeling. Easy to use, but not as robust for high-end tasks. 3. Siemens NX, NX, the powerhouse. A true leader in automotive and aerospace industries. Known for its hybrid modeling, simulation, and CAM integration. However, its complexity makes it more suited for large-scale industrial projects rather than beginners. 2. Creo, the future of engineering. It offers parametric modeling and is packed with real-time simulations. It's ready for Industry 4.0 with smart factory integration. However, it's more expensive and has a steep learning curve. 1. CATIA, the ultimate CAD software. And finally, taking the top spot, CATIA. Used by giants like Boeing and Tesla, CATIA leads the pack for aerospace, automotive, and industrial design. It's the best for complex surface modeling but comes with a high price tag and a challenging learning curve. Which one do you choose? That's our top 5 list. Which CAD software do you use? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe to LearnWithVenky for more awesome engineering content.